How do I use a ham glaze packet?
Hello and welcome, home chefs. Today, we're going to delve into the delicious world of ham glazing. If you've been wondering how to use that little ham glaze packet that comes with your pre-cooked ham, this guide is for you. We'll show you how easy it is to create a beautifully glazed ham that's packed with flavor. Remember, the secret is in the glaze.
What do you need?
Before we start, let's gather our tools and ingredients. Pre-cooked ham glaze packet, usually comes with your pre-cooked ham, oven, roasting pan, with a rack, if possible, aluminum foil, cooking brush.
Prepping the ham.
Begin by preheating your oven to the temperature specified on the ham's packaging. This is typically around 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, place your pre-cooked ham on a rack in a roasting pan. If your ham has a layer of skin, remove it, leaving a thin layer of fat. Score the fat in a diamond pattern. This helps the glaze penetrate the ham and makes for a beautiful presentation.
How do I use the ham glaze packet?
Now, onto the main event, the glaze. Empty the contents of the glaze packet into a bowl. If the packet instructions require you to add water or any other ingredient, do that now. Using your cooking brush, apply a generous layer of the glaze to your scored ham. Make sure to get the glaze into all those scored lines.
Cooking and glazing.
Cover your ham loosely with aluminum foil and put it in the preheated oven. The general rule of thumb is to cook the ham for about 15 to 20 minutes per pound, but refer to your ham's packaging for precise instructions. Here's the key. About 15 to 20 minutes before the end of cooking time, remove the ham from the oven. Brush on another layer of the glaze. Return the ham to the oven, without the foil this time, for the final 15 to 20 minutes. This will create a beautiful, caramelized glaze on your ham. And there you have it, a delicious, beautifully glazed ham. The packet of glaze that comes with your ham can really elevate the flavor and make for an impressive centerpiece. We hope this video guide has been helpful, and that your ham turns out deliciously glazed and irresistible. Happy cooking!